You can expect a lot from the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Lincoln infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.